Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Wanted to come on and give you an update on our Duck dishcloth and what we've worked on this past week. We are using this book, The Little Encyclopedia of Dishcloths. And the way that we're doing this, Missy from Missy's Yarniverse is doing this. And we got this book, and the dishcloths are not numbered. So we've gone through and we've numbered all of them 1 through 31. And she has the cutest little box decorated with like a duck pond. And she has her rubber ducks in there. And each one has the number on their bottom. And she goes duck, 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 however many times she wants to do duck, and then dishcloth. And whichever one she pulls out and says dishcloth, we look at the number on the bottom of the little ducky, and that's the dishcloth that we do for that week. Each Thursday she comes on, she picks a new duck, and then she also puts out a separate video and where it's called Ducks on Parade, where she does a slideshow of everyone's dishcloth that they submitted and gave her a picture of to share. There's so many of us doing this, and it's so fun to see what everybody does, the colors they choose, and the way they do their dishcloth is so fun. So this past week was the pot scrubber. And this one calls for you to put one of those little scrubby sponges in the middle and crochet around it. I'm like Missy on this. If you watch her videos, I do not like these things because they trap the dirt and and the food, and it's hard to get them clean. So it collects all the nasty junk and germs and ickies in there. And so I did not put one of those in the middle. I crocheted a rectangle out of cotton yarn for the middle, and then I crocheted around it. So what I used was I had some Crafter's Choice. It's a cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby, and I did the center in a solid yellow, and then I used a variegated yellows and grays for the outside. And so this is what mine looks like. Ta-da! So I just made a center with single crochets to the size that the sponge would have been. And then I just did the crocheting around the outside like the picture or like the pattern said. I struggled a little bit with this one because I don't know if it's because of the size of my center rectangle that caused the numbers to be off, but my count for the outside part didn't come out like theirs did. But that's okay. I fudged it a little bit. I took away stitches, I added stitches, and I made it work. So this is my dishcloth, the pot scrubber dishcloth that I made. And yesterday, Missy chose a new number, and it was number 14. So the next dishcloth we'll be working on is this one right here, the hexagon. So stinking cute. It's an 11.5-inch diameter, and it calls for off-white and lavender. So I'm going to see what I have. Not sure which colors I'm going to use, but this one is really cute. It uses, it has a beginning shell stitch, a shell stitch, and then a picot. So I'm really excited to work on this one. Not sure what colors I'm going to use yet, but we shall see. So stay tuned next Friday, and I will share with you my dishcloth, the hexagon dishcloth, and go check out. I'll have Missy linked in I'll have her channel linked in the description box. Go check out her Duck dishcloth video. Join in on this, guys. It's not this book, you can find it. I got mine off of Thrift Books. You can also find it on Amazon. You might even be able to find a copy at your local, maybe your library, your local craft store, whatever. And it's not too late. We have done, I think, 12 now of these. Yeah. The hexagon will be the 12th one that we've worked on so far, and there's 31. So you could still join in and catch up. So it's a lot of fun to see what everybody's dishcloths look like. So I encourage you to get the book and try it out. Even if you don't join in with us, you could make these to give. This is what I'm doing with these. we have a homemakers holiday in November that my homemakers group is involved in, and we raise money to give back to nonprofits in our county. And so we have a huge fundraiser in November. And so I'm making these. I joined this because I thought, what a great way to get dishcloths made to sell at our homemakers holiday. So I'll have 31 dishcloths by November to take and sell. And I'm also, some of these go together so quickly, like less than an hour to make some of these, that I can also make a bunch of them up for Christmas gifts. So even if you don't join us for the duck dishcloth and share your pictures, these make great gifts, guys. So you could get this and work on these and have a bunch of them saved up for gift giving. So yeah, give it a whirl. It's a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this. And like I said, I'll have Missy's channel linked in the description box below. And go check it out. Not only does on Thursdays, what she does, she puts out 2 videos. I'm not sure if I said that or not. She puts out 2 videos. One is she talks about the duck dishcloth and what it's all about and explains everything. And she picks a duck for the next dishcloth for the next week. Then in a separate video, she does a ducks on parade video. And that's the slideshow where she shows everyone's finished dishcloths that submitted pictures. So if you're, whether you're a content creator or not, you can email Missy and she will explain that in her video. You can send her an email and send her a picture of your completed dishcloth and let her know what name you want her to use on your picture, whether it's your channel name or your first name, or just tell her don't use my name at all, whatever. And then she can include you in the Ducks on Parade slideshow of your finished dishcloth. So I hope you guys will join in with that. I have my family coming in this weekend, part of my family, my middle daughter and her husband and 2 boys. They're coming in for the weekend, so I've got a busy weekend this weekend, but I will be back Monday. I will have the next stitch for our members only crochet along, and Tuesday, let's see, and then I won't be back on again until probably Wednesday. And then Thursdays is the Sophie Universe update, and Fridays will be the next dishcloth. So I will see you next week, and I hope you guys are having an awesome Friday. Have a fabulous weekend. Make memories, enjoy your time with your family, and just love on them, hug on them, let them know how much you appreciate them. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.